What's up, gorgeous? Matthew here, and welcome back to my channel. If you haven't subscribed already, please do so now. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can go from greasy gym hair to clean, beautiful hair without shampooing in less than 10 minutes using Micellar Cleansing Water. Okay, first step, you want to shake your micellar water because it does separate. You want to get a spray bottle and you want to fill it with the micellar makeup removing water. You don't need a lot because you're only going to be doing your crown section. But what the micellar cleansing water does is it lifts oil, it lifts dirt, and it removes makeup away from wherever you apply the micellar water. That's why when you have a greasy scalp and you have greasy hair and you spray the micellar water on it, it's going to have that same kind of effect, lifting away the dirt, cleansing the hair, and leaving it softened and clean for whatever else you want to do. In this case, we're removing all that oil. You always want to make sure you shake up the micellar water before you apply. And then I'm just going to apply sparingly. I'm not going to apply that much to the scalp area, but I'm only going to apply areas that are pretty oily. I've been to the gym a couple of times this week, and I think I shampooed my hair maybe 3 days ago. So my hair is getting to that point where if I wore it down, I'd have to go for a wet look because well, the hair is looking dirty. It's looking greasy. Okay, now that I've applied the micellar water everywhere, I'm just going to take a paddle brush. This is a great paddle brush from the NuMe brand. I partnered with them a few months ago, and I absolutely love their tools. I love their products. I love everything about the brand. Now you really want to move that micellar water around as much as you can, because the more you move it around, the more it's kind of going to be releasing that oil, releasing that dirt, releasing that debris that's in there. If you guys haven't subscribed, subscribe right now and give this video a thumbs up, because every little bit helps the channel and helps me create better videos. Also, comment down in the comment section if you guys have used the micellar water to fix your oily hair. Okay, now that I've applied and brushed through, I'm going to take my NuMe Signature Blow Dryer and I'm going to blow dry the product in the hair. If this works, I'm going to be so amazed, because so many times I have just worn a wet look or I've just put my hair up in a bun because I didn't have time to brush, I didn't have time to shampoo and condition my hair. I only had a couple minutes in the morning, maybe 10 minutes to style, and I just had to put it up in a low bun. But I can already feel like the micellar is like removing that dirt, distributing it differently. I can really feel a difference, and look at all that volume I'm getting. You guys can see that I'm really just rough drying my hair. I'm not even using a brush at this point. Okay guys, look at this. Look at all the volume I was able to create. Look at how the roots look fresh and clean. And this was just from like a 5-minute rough blow dry with the micellar water. This is amazing. This is sorcery. This is witchcraft. I know it is. How is that possible? Like seriously, like look at that. Look at that. That is crazy. How come I have not done this before or known about this until now? Okay, now that I've already touched up my roots are nice and clean, I'm gonna go in with my secret weapon, which is the Clout Frizz Control from NuMe. This is an amazing product. It is so easy and simple to use. You just take big sections like this and you spritz. Let's make sure it's spraying correctly. You spritz just like that. Big sections. And what this does is it adds like kind of like a waterproof, humidity proof coating to your hair that you blow dry in. And if you say, like, I live in a really humid climate, right? I live here in Florida. So when you style your hair, you get it all done and you walk outside and your hair starts to expand, that's when you need the Clout Control. That's when you need these products from NuMe, because they really do make a difference. It's like having insurance on your hair. It'll make it last all day long. Now, once you apply the Clout Control, you're just gonna wanna power dry it in. Just really like let it absorb into your hair. Now that my hair is properly coated with the micellar water up top to absorb those oils, the NuMe Clout Control down here to control the frizz, I'm gonna go through and touch it up with the NuMe Megastar Flat Iron. This is an amazing flat iron. It has LED red lights in it, so that adds shine, moisture. You can kind of see the strip right there. Yeah, there it goes. And then right here, this is going to release negative ions just like the blow dryer did. And what that's going to do, it's going to give you shinier, more resilient, more radiant hair. Now watch this. I like to call this iron the one pass iron because literally you can just do one pass and your hair is going to look shinier, sleeker, and it's going to last all day. After, before. You see the difference in the shine, in the radiance? I love this iron. I'm just taking the one pass iron. I'm taking a larger section, kind of leaving some of the front section out. Some of it's going in, but it's just adding all that shine, all that radiance, like to my hair. That is beautiful. Now, another one of my favorite things about this iron is that it has a 9-foot cord. And I am a hairstylist. I work in a professional salon. I do television stuff, and how important it is to have a 9-foot cord as a hairstylist. It makes your job so much easier. It makes your life so much easier. Okay, guys, look at how amazing this is. This is after just a few passes with the NuMe Megastar Flat Iron, but look at that. All of that shine, all of that luster, and it's protected. And it's protected against the humidity with the products that we use. The NuMe Clout Control, the NuMe Megastar Iron, and then the Micellar Water up here at the roots. So easy, so beautiful. Now let's just finish the other side and we will be done. Less than 10 minutes to style my hair. Now, if you guys have any questions, put them in the chat. I will answer them right away. And also, if you have any recommendations as to what you want to see from me next, put that in the chat as well. And I'll be sure to make those videos for you. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe. I do a lot of how-to, DIYs, hair hacks. I do it all. And we're getting into lifestyle. We're doing a lot of different stuff on here. So if it interests you, please subscribe, send it to all your friends, and like, comment, and turn that notification bell on. All right, everyone, ta-da! Here is the final look. No more greasy, oily roots, just shiny, smooth, clean hair. And how I did it, I used micellar water in a spray bottle at my roots. I blew it out, just rough dried it. Then I used the NuMe Clout Control to protect and seal my hair against humidity. Touched it up with the NuMe Signature blow dryer. It releases negative ions. This is one of my favorite blow dryers. It's so light. Then I went in with the NuMe Megastar Flat Iron. I absolutely love this. It gives you this beautiful, shiny, radiant, gorgeous, frizz-free look. All right, guys, I hope this video helped you out. If it did, make sure you subscribe, make sure you like and comment. Thank you so much, and until the next time, see you later.